Yeah, we are going to do 606 12 additional math non-calculator paper. It's for March 2025 paper. Let's go for the first question. On the axis, sketch the graph y equal to 4 absolute value of x minus 1 and y equal to absolute value of 3x plus 2, stating the intercept with the axis. So we need to find the intercept with the axis. Also we need to sketch the graph. Okay, first I'll take the first equation is going to be for absolute value of x minus 1. So I'm taking some value. This is x, this is y. So first I'll take x equal to 0. When I put x equal to 0, y equal to see 0 minus 1, you'll get a negative 1, so the absolute values give us a positive, so it's become 4. Next, when you put 1, this becomes 0, so entire thing going to be 0. Next I'll put negative 2, so when I'll put negative 2 here, it's become negative 3. Absolute value gives a positive 3 times 4 is 12. So next when we put it 2, we'll get 4. Okay, when I'll put like positive 4, we'll get 12. Okay, so I'll plot this number. Okay, so the number line here is 1 2 3 4 5, keep going. Here is negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3, negative 4. Let's keep going on. Here I'll take like axis 2 4 6 2 4 6 8 10 12. Okay, here is going to be 2 4 going. Okay, first 0 comma 4, 0 comma 4 is going to be here. Next 1 comma 0, it's going to be here. Next negative 2 comma 12, negative 2 and 12 is going to be here. Next 2 and 4 is going to be here. Next 4 and 12 is going to be here. So the graph will get sorry, okay, this is 2, so the graph is going to be touch here, so should be straight line, so we'll get the graph this way. Okay, so here we need to find intercept points on x-axis and y-axis. Here intercept point on x-axis will get x-axis 1 comma 0, and y-axis we will get 4 comma 0. This is the first equation. Okay, the second equation, so I'll write the second equation here, which is y equal to absolute value of 3x plus 2. So here first I'll write x and y, so I'll put some value 0, then yeah, I'll put x equal to 0, then y equal to 2. Okay, next I'll put y equal to 0. When I put y equal to 0, so 3x plus 2 equal to 0, so it become like, yeah, 3x plus 2 equal to 0, 3x equal to negative 2, x equal to negative 2 over 3, so negative 2 by 3 here. Okay, so next when I put 2 here, 6 8, when I put yeah, negative 2, yeah, when I put negative 2, it's going to be negative 2, negative 6, so positive 4. So when I put it negative 4 here, which is going negative 4, negative 12 is 10. When I put it like positive 4, 12 14. So I'll plot these points 0 comma 2, 0 comma 2. X is 0, y is 2, so it's going to be here. Next negative 2 by 3, when we make it decimal, we'll get 0 0.7, so 0 0.7 comma 0, so it's going to be here 0 0.7, approximate somewhere here. Okay, next 2 comma 8, 2 comma 8 is here. Next negative 2 comma 4, it's going to be here. Okay, next negative 4 comma 10, negative 4 comma 10 is going to be here. Next 4 comma 14, 4 comma 14, that we don't have. Okay, so it's not a proper, so when you do the proper line, so you'll get the sketch like this. The line should be connect here. So now here also the intercept point we need to find x-intercept point, x-axis. It's going to be yeah, -2 by 3 comma 0, and y-axis it's going to be, yeah, 0 comma 2. That's the first question answer. Okay, let's go for the second part. Solve the inequality. Solve the inequality. So we know the absolute value is always plus and minus is there, either plus or minus. So here what I'm going to do now, I'll square both the sides. So 4 squaring time we can remove, yeah, equal, so less than or equal to. Okay, I'll take equal to and I'll solve, then final I'll take this inequality. Okay, here 3x plus 2 whole square. So I'll expand 16 into x minus 1 whole square equal to 3x plus 2 whole square, which is 16 into this one, x minus 1 times x minus 1 equal to, this is 3x plus 2 times 3x plus 2. Expand now 16 into, when you expand this 2, we'll get x square minus 2x plus 1. Here is, when you expand 9x square plus 12x plus 4, you will get, I'll bring, okay, so left side I didn't expand, so 16x square minus 12x, sorry, 32. 32x plus 16 equal to 9x square plus 12x plus 4. I'll bring entire thing is one side, so 16 minus 9, which is going to be 7x square, minus 32 minus 12, which is going to be minus 44x, and 16 minus 4, which is going to be plus 12, equal to 0. Now I need to factorize, multiply time, I need to get 7, 12 times 7, which is 84, and addition time I need to get negative 44. The factors are, yeah, 2 and 42. Okay, 7x square minus 42x minus 2x plus 12 equal to 0. So which is 7 into x, 7x into x minus 6, so negative 2 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So the factors are x minus 6 and 7x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so now the inequality, okay, so final answer going to be x minus 6 and 7x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. So first I'll check x minus 6 equal to 0, so x equal to 6, the first part. Second one, 7x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2 by 7. Okay, so 2 by 7 is approximate like to 0.3. Okay, so I'll draw a number line. Okay, so here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep going. Okay, so the graph is intersect at 2.0.3. This is my 2 over 7, and here is a 6. So this is a quadratic graph. The first positive, a is positive, so we'll get a graph here. So our equation is less than or equal to 0, so we need to check only the below point. So the inequality is going to be 2 by 7, so the final answer going to be 2 by 7 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. That is the final answer. This is the value of x. Okay, so the next one, question 2. Okay, here is a cos graph is given, so we need to find a, b, c. So the a cos bx plus c, and the interval is negative 180 to positive 180. So when you find out a, we know the formula. So maximum value minus minimum value by 2, which is going to be, the maximum is 3 here, minimum is negative 7. So 3 minus of minus 7 by 2, which is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So a equal to, we got a equal to 5. Next we'll find out c. C is going to be, I'll erase this. Okay, c is going to be, uh, c is always maximum plus minimum by 2, which is 3 minus 7 by 2, which is negative 4 by 2, equal to negative 2. Okay, so c equal to negative 2. Next I'll go for b. b is b equal to 360 divided by period. So here 360 divided by, the graph is never move left and right because these intersect here the same y axis, or say only the altitude has changed. So this is never moved. This is the full length here to here is going to be 360. Okay, so which is equal to 1. So b equal to 1. So we found a, b and c. Okay, so the next question, the point a has coordinates. Okay, coordinate is given, b coordinate is given that line AB is the diameter of a circle. Find the equation of the circle. So there is a circle, so the line passing through the diameter. Okay, so upon the a point, this is our a point. A is negative 3 comma 6, and the b is going to be, b is 7 comma negative 8. Okay, find the equation. We know the line equation formula, which is, yeah, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. The formula already given, the formula sheet. So a and b are the centers. A, b are the center, and r is the radius. Okay, so now I need to find a and b first. So a and b is nothing, the midpoint, because diameter is given, so midpoint going to be a and b. So first I'll find the midpoint. Midpoint equal to first x1 plus x2 by 2, which is minus 3 plus 7, minus 3 plus 7 by 2, comma y-axis 6 minus 8 by 2. Yeah, it's going to be 4 by 2 and minus 2 by 2. It's going to be 2 comma negative 1. The center, I got the center. Next I know, because the question there is r as well, so I need to find the r radius. Radius is center to any one of the point. This is the distance, so I am finding the distance. Center I'll take as a o. I'll take AO. I'll take OA. The distance I'm going to find, distance, okay, square root of this one, x2 minus x1 whole square. Okay, 2 comma minus 1, so this point is going to be 2 comma minus 1. So yeah, x2 minus x1 whole square, so 2 plus 3 whole square and plus minus 1 minus 6 square, which is going to be square root of 5 square plus minus 7 square is going to be square root of 25 plus 49, which is square root of 74. So I got r. This is going to be the radius. This distance going to be the radius. Okay, now I need to substitute the equation. The equation is here. So x minus a, the center, x minus 2 whole square and plus y minus, so minus 1 already, so y plus 1 whole square equal to radius square. So radius is here, the radius square going to be 74. So I'll write only 74 here. So that's our final answer. The question asks find the equation of the circle. This is our equation. Okay, so the next question going to be the polynomial p is given by p of x. So a square x cube plus 2ax square plus ax plus 2, where a is the positive integer. It is given that 2x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Find the value of x. Okay, so the given polynomial p of x equal to a square x cube plus 2a x square plus ax plus 2, and we got one factor is given. So the factor is going to be 2x plus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to negative 1 by 2. Okay, so just apply here. So when we do p of negative 1 by 2 equal to 0, so I'll do p of negative 1 by 2. What I'll get? Negative 1 by 2. This is a square. Okay, a square into negative 1 by 2 cube plus 2a into negative 1 by 2 square plus a into negative 1 by 2 plus 2. So as we know, p of negative 1 by 2 equal to 0. This is 0. So I'll simplify everything. So first part I'll get minus a square by 8 plus here 1 to 1 2 will be cancelled. So I'll get a by 2 plus minus a by 2 here plus 2. Now this a by 2 becomes 0. So negative a square by 8 plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, which gives negative a square by 8 equal to negative 2. Now negative is gone, so a square equal to 16, a equal to plus or minus square root of 16, a equal to plus or minus 4, a equal to plus or minus 4, but I have to choose only plus 4 because the question is given a is a positive integer, so a equal to 4. That's my answer. So this question answer is we need to find a, so we found the answer a equal to 4. Hence factorize p of x. So now we got the a value, so we need to substitute p of x equal to, we have to put a value here. So 16x cube plus, so when we apply a value, we'll get 16x cube plus, yeah, 2 4s are 8x square plus 4x. Okay, so 8x square plus 4x plus 2. We'll get the equation like that. Okay, so as we know, 2x plus, yeah, 2x plus 1 is a factor. Just divide this equation by 2x plus 1, 16x cube plus 8x square plus 4x plus 2. I am dividing with this factor 2x plus 1. So first I'll get 8x square. When I multiply 16x cube plus 8x square, so which is equal to 0, then I'll bring it to another two terms. Okay, so then it's going to be like 2. So when I multiply is 2, 4x plus 2 is become a 0. So the factors are, so 8 square plus 8x square plus 2 is one of the factor. So I can write 2x plus 1 is a factor. The another factor going to be 8x square plus 2. This another factor. This question just factorize. So here we can do one more step. We can bring a 2 out from here. So 2 into 2x plus 1 into 4x square plus 1. So these are the factors. Yeah. So p of x equal to, this is the factors. Okay, so the next question, hence show that the equation p of x equal to 0 has only one root. So p of x, the below equation, p of x equal below function, so 2 into 2x plus 1 into 4x square plus 1. So here p of x equal to 0, that means the entire thing is going to be 0. So 2 into 2x plus 1 and 4x square plus 4 equal to 0. When you divide both sides, the 2 will be gone. So this will be either 2x plus 1 equal to 0 or 4x square, this is 1, sorry, 4x square plus 1 equal to 0. So from here x equal to negative 1 by 2 will get here, 4x square, yeah, 4x square equal to negative 1, x square equal to negative 1 by 4, x equal to plus or minus square root of negative 1 by 4. So the question has a real root. This one, square root of negative number, that doesn't have real root. Okay, for this no real roots, because square root inside negative cannot come. It's, yeah, b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots. So we have only one real roots. Okay, so you have to write p of x equal to negative 1 by 2. So p of x have only one real root. Okay, next question 5. Write 2x square minus 2x plus 3 in the form of a, this is a into x plus b whole square plus c, complete in the square technique. So I'll do this function, I'll take 2 outside, so which is 2x x square minus x plus 3 by 2. The next step, 2 into, so x square minus x, so here coefficient is 1, just I'll make it a half, so that I will 1 by 2 whole square and minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2. Okay, so next step, I can write 1 by 2 whole square, then minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2. Okay, so I'll continue here, this side, 2 into x minus 1 by 2 whole square. So here I'm solving, so I'll take LCM, both denominator is same, this become 4. So here is 2 6, yeah, plus 5 by 2. Okay, so when I bring 2 inside, 2 into x minus 1 by 2 whole square, plus this is 5 by 4, sorry, because LCM is 4. So when I take 2, it's become 5 by 2. This is the final answer. So here a equal to 2, b equal to, yeah, negative 1 by 2 and c equal to 5 by 2 we got. So all are constants. Okay, so that's not required. This is our final answer. This is the final answer for us. Okay, next go. Okay, greater value of function is an inverse. Okay, when you do inverse, the greatest value is the vertex forms, is the vertex form. So we'll take the vertex. The vertex is going to be so 1 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Okay, so x is less than or equal to p. So yeah, find the value of p. So x is here less than or equal to 1 by 2. So p equal to 1 by 2. That's the answer. Okay, next, using the p, write down the range of f. So range is going to be, so yeah, here is like 1 by 2 some 5 by 2. So the range is going to be, yeah, closed 5 by 2 comma open infinitive. So or you can write y is greater than or equal to 5 by 2, any one thing you can write. Okay, the next question, using the value of p, find an expression of f inverse. So we need to do f inverse of x. Okay, so the completing the square answer, y equal to 2 into x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 by 2. First I need to change x and y, so I'll check. Yeah, change x and y. Okay, so x equal to 2 into y minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 by 2. So I'll bring 5 by 2 here. X minus 5 by 2 equal to 2 into y minus 1 by 2 square. Next I'll take LCM left side. So 2x minus 5 over 2 equal to 2 into y minus 1 by 2 whole square. So I'll bring the 2 here. So 2x minus 5 over 4 equal to y minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so here y minus 1 by 2 equal to right side is going to be plus or minus square root of 2x minus 5 by 4. Okay, so the question says here, yeah, using the p-value. The p-value says is a 1 by 2. It's also less than or equal to 1 by 2. So we are going to use only negative because x is less than or equal to 1 by 2. So we choose only negative. So y minus 1 by 2 equal to negative of square root of 2x minus 5 over 4. So y equal to 1 by 2 minus square root of 2x minus 5 over 4. Okay, that's a final answer. So finally we need to write y inverse. Sorry, we cannot leave the answer as a y. So f inverse is going to be 1 by 2 minus square root of 2x minus 5 over 4. So that's our final answer.